Oh, this is the third time I'm doing this video, guys. I didn't press record on the last one. What a pain in the arse that is. And nonetheless, it means I get to chat to you for a bit longer. So what I'm doing here is a Tiguan long life service light. Now, long life on Volkswagens, you have to do with a computer. It can be any computer, but today I'm using the Top Don Phoenix remote. Bloody love this thing, it is. It's great. However, Audis, I do realise that sometimes you can't do the inspection light on the dash either, so you do need a scan tool again. Now, this is a very, very good all-round tool. So let's give it a crack. So we're going to go into oil, let it do its thing. Let it beep, let it click, let it do everything it needs to do to get us into this service menu. Now, it's dead fast, this is, guys. So, like I say, if you do it on the dash, it's only going to set it for a year. This is what I wanted to show you today. Now, I'm going to pop you over to the Top Don again. It's going to connect in a sec. We're going to get in there. We're going to find Volkswagen. It's two versions, VW and VW Commercial. We'll go for VW this time, but you can do the vans and that on these as well. And this is just a little overview of what it can do. It's got BYD on it as well, guys. Them cars are proper cool driving around. I've seen a few. I quite like them. Always have the ignition on when you're doing it. Let's have a little chat. So, we'll go into auto reset. Now, there's a couple of things here. These are fixed services. So, minor and major are fixed. So, it'll take you to the same settings as that. We don't want that. We want long life. So, we're going to go on to that one. And we're going to manually set it. Okay? So, it's 30,000 kilometers is the maximum you can set these engines to with 730 days. So that's long life servicing, guys. So that is what we're going to put it in. If you work in miles, it can be an absolute pain in the arse. So it's always best to kind of know where you're at with kilometers and miles. I hate maths, so it's not my strong point at all. But nonetheless, we can nip through this, show you quite an interesting video and just some of the capabilities of this Top Don Phoenix remote, because it's bloody good. I'm going to tag Jack in there as well, because he's Mr. Top Don UK. And what a chap he is as well. Very, very nice, very handy, and very, very hands-on. So if you guys need any support with your tools, should you buy them, he's your man. So let's press OK on that. We'll nip over to the car. There we go. So we're just over 18,500 miles for 2 years. That's long life servicing. So that's going to count down as the customer drives it over the next couple of years. And whatever comes first will be when it needs servicing, whether it's mileage or age. So that being said, guys, if you want to get your hands on some Top Don equipment, I'm going to stick in the comments the website and a cheeky little 10% discount code that's for myself, my viewers, my supporters, and all you good people out there. Guys, I believe it doesn't include the Phoenix range, but I could be mistaken on that one. Jack will correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm going to tag Jack in it as well because he loves these little things like that. So happy buying, guys, and just a few little tips and tricks on the Top Don Phoenix remote. Big love. See you in the next one.